Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 4xe in Hydro Blue. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rock track part-time 4-wheel drive system, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7091.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.